Good morning guys, and welcome to our new tutorial for this joystick shield that we are going to program as a mini arcade stick. So these are the things needed for us to make this project work. As you can see here, Tinkduino Leonardo and Tinkduino joystick shield. Okay, so the basic layout would be an analog, and there would be 4 buttons. So let's move on to the okay, so guys, we are now going to talk about the codes. And the principle of this program is just the keyboard press. Okay, so we programmed our gamepad to respond to keyboard press, so that instead of using the keyboard, we can use the gamepad to control our characters and have fun with it. Okay, it's much easier, right, to control a game using the analog stick. So this is just an easy code, and I will put it down for you guys so you can copy. Okay, so guys, here we go. Let's check out our gamepad here, or mini arcade stick. And I like to give my compliments to my mentor, Engineer Joseph Giulia, for helping me out with this tutorial. So let's play arcade mode, and let's try if our arcade stick is doing good. Yeah. So this is a popular game when I was young, and I think I always use this character. So let's give it a try. So Yoshimitsu. Okay. So okay, let's try the movements. The movements are okay. Okay, I just took a hit, but let's see if the button press works. Okay, so it's working smoothly. So there we go. Okay, so that is our first win for our mini arcade stick. So guys, you can check it out. You can do some tweaking if you want, based on your own preferences. And if you like this video, give it a like. And also I'd like to thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Okay, see you again next time, and bye.